Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of March, 2023. ADA or Cardano. It's what we're going to talk about today. We're trying to figure out if this particular cryptocurrency is ready for a massive breakout, pretty much like Bitcoin has been trading over the last couple of days. You guys can see it so far. The market in ADA hasn't really been breaking out, but we can see strength on the chart. So let me go ahead and give you all my updated price prediction in the market in ADA, and then you all can go back to your daily lives and do what's more important rather than trying to figure out where price is going to go. So you guys can see I did a price prediction in ADA all the way back here on the 13th of February, and I did an update on March the 9th, still in position, looking for ADA to continue to trend to the downside in price, and that is exactly what occurred into the market in ADA. Go back and check out my video. It's still there, and it's not a coincidence that we was able to time the bottom. Individuals like to tell you that you cannot time the bottom or know where market's going to flip. Well, here's another situation to where we did. The market in ADA found support around 30 cents like we identified on our video. 15.03% profitability right there. Let's go ahead and get rid of it, because now with all of the uncertainty that's going on within the financial markets and global financial markets, people are trying to look for safe havens. They're trying to find out, okay, where will be the next safest place for me to park some funds, right? And seemingly people are looking towards cryptocurrencies and altcoins as places that they can least park funds while this volatility increases in the banking sector. Cardano is participating in that move. You guys can see that even though we've seen a sustained move to the downside in ADA, but toward mid-March, that's when the market really reverses course and begin to see prices lift. So let me go ahead and show you all what we have on the weekly chart real quick in ADA, because currently, even though we're seeing the market in ADA closing higher than the previous week, we have to take note that where price currently is closing in ADA right now, that tells me that there's still people in the market that's trying to sell their ADA tokens or coins in the market. So this is not a surefire, yes, ADA is going to go up. I'm just going to keep it real with you, because that definitely is signifying weakness or selling there. Let's look at this on the 5-day chart. Okay, so here it is on the 5-day chart. I think you guys can see what time frame the selling really came into the market in ADA. Now, in the next 2 days and 8 hours, on this current 5 days, if we see price in ADA close higher than the previous 5 days, then it tells us that the overall market bought whoever sold their ADA into the market, that we would expect the market move to continue to go up. Here it is right here. This is even better on the 3-day time frame. The prior 3 days, look at this. That's weakness there that the arrow is pointing down to. But currently, the market is reversing its course. It's still going up, and they have 7 hours and 33 minutes left. So I will tell you, as of right now, as a snapshot, I will have to look for price to go up in ADA. Now, I'm just going to keep it real. But we got 7 hours though, so you got to give me some margin of error, because let's say in the next 7 hours, ADA closes all the way down here on the bottom of this 3-day price bar, then my analysis will have to change, because that tells me that the weakness is still present in ADA. But right now, timestamp, looking at the price action in ADA, I'm still looking for the market to go up, and it's even better here on the 2-day time frame. Okay. So I think I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and continue to play some strength in the market in ADA. Before I do that and show you where I'm looking for the market to run, we all can see that right here is where the market buyers is finding issues in ADA. Okay. This area right here is plaguing ADA from moving substantially higher in price. That's right now. But looking at this on the 2-day and the 3-day charts, that kind of tells me that the buyers is attempting to break above 35.5, 36 cents. They're not winning yet, but I do suspect that price will be able to trade above that area relatively soon. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart so you all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so like I said, we're going to play some strength into the market in ADA. My first target is going to be 36 cents though, because like I said, I really see this area as a problem. I would say 36.5 to 36 cents. That's 3.41% there. 3.5 to 36 cents. My second target for ADA is going to be right there around 37 at 7.05%. And then ultimately, I can see the market trying to run to around 38 cents, which is about 9.65%. Now, again, this particular market in ADA is not as bullish as Bitcoin, which is why my price targets is not as massive as one would suspect it should be, given the uncertainty going on in the financial markets. But this is what I'm seeing currently from the chart in ADA. So as long as the market in ADA continues to hold our trend line, for one, we're going to look for price to trend higher. And then two, as long as price holds around 32 cents or even 30. I'm going to look for the market to really consolidate from that standpoint. All right, so that's it. I am done. Welcome to those who are new. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want more of a heads up as to where price is anticipated to go in a simplistic way. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.